I was on my way to another attraction in Dubai and noticed this signboard. No smoking, spitting, no pets, no feeding of cats. That's a lot of do's and don'ts. The Dubai frame is a monumental structure standing at 150 meters tall and 95 meters wide. It holds the Guinness World Record as the largest picture frame in the world.
To start the rebuilding of life, the roads that lay open are many. When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin.
Trying to frame yourself to get a perfect shot is not easy when you have to do it on your own. I tried adding marking to a spot and making fine adjustments as I took multiple shots over and over again. It took me a good 20 minutes just to get a decent shot. You can ascend up the frame for a fee of $14. I waited more than an hour to finally gain access to the frame. The elevator to the sky deck carries visitors for the 8 floors in 75 seconds. Upon arriving at the top platform, I was greeted with a 360 degrees panoramic view of the city.
But they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a race. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good
Join me in the next video as I step into the amazing Museum of the Future.